I'm going to show you guys how to go from this super shiny and super straight within 10 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rena for those of you who are new today. So I know my makeup looks quite dramatic or what I'm going to show you guys, but I did just film a autumn makeup look which is probably already posted, so do go ahead and check that out. But in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get super sleek straight hair, and it's with these straighteners that are from Bombay Hair. You can get 50% off with my discount code, which trust me is a big bargain. So if you guys want to find out how I get sleek straight hair, then please keep on watching. So the straighteners I'm going to be using today are from Bombay Hair. You've probably already seen it in one of my previous videos, but it looks like this. So when it's plugged in, it flashes blue, but it does let you know that it's off. And then you switch it on by simply pressing the on and off button. And then if you just set your temperature, so I like setting my hair straightener to 230 degrees. If you just keep pressing the plus button, and then they turn green when they're ready to use. They heat up really quick, to be honest. So I'll show you guys how I straighten my hair. So I've washed and dried my hair, and I've put hair serum in and heat protector. And I'm just going to go in with these Bombay hair straighteners, and it's going to instantly just make my hair super shiny and super straight. I'd probably say within 10 minutes. I'm just going to do like the bog standard. I'm going to tie my hair up in half. Just normal hair bobble. Just going to start sectioning my hair into small pieces and just running the hair straighteners down. And there you go, this bit's done. You can obviously tell the difference. Isn't that just crazy that a straightener can do this to your hair? Look how just bad this side looks, and it just looks really dry and just really frizzy. And then within 2 strokes I've achieved hair like this. That before and after is just literally really crazy. Again, just 2 strokes and then moving on to the next bit. And guys, it honestly just saves so much time. I've got quite a lot of hair on my head, so literally my hair's done within like 10 minutes. And this is obviously making a bit of an effort. Normally it just takes me 5 because I just go over my hair really quickly. I like these straighteners because I use them to curl my hair as well. And it just makes your hair feel so smooth and so silky, and it just leaves it in such a good condition. This side of my hair done. That took me what, 2 minutes? But look at the difference. Gosh, I look like a crazy girl. Honestly, like, these straighteners have changed my life. So I'm just going to repeat the same steps on this side. And just how it doesn't take that long at all to straighten your hair. Since I've had my hair bleached again, it's just a bit drier than usual. So what I like about the straighteners is you can't really tell. Just look at this difference, and then look at this side. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you would like to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video.